You have 4 hours and 58
Hello there,
minutes of
family friend.
remaining
Beautiful
drive
country
time.
world. Joey Jones is on the road. Well, first let me say one more time, congratulations to all the ones that passed and got that CDL test. They're already driving. They're already with the mentor. They're already over the road. They're already local, regional, whatever fleet you decided to be in. That's a blessing. I told you to have faith, and faith only. God is good always, and I told you that already. First, this video right here, I got a couple of emails that say, a lot of people says, why can't I make a video and show you how I do in the moto? Now, I did this video and I want you to see how I backed up in. Now, I didn't get out and look, you know, and we're supposed to get out and look. I didn't get out and look because I'm already confident on backing in. I already know that there's nobody back there. I already know that we fit, you know, between two containers. So this video is just straightforward backing in, straightforward pulling out, but you should get out and look. You know, I recommend for you to get out and look. I'll keep you posted on my next video, and take a look. All right, don't go nowhere. hope you enjoyed this video and you get some tips on backing. You know, first let me say it wasn't easy to back up, you know, like I normally did. You know, it takes time and practice. So what I want to say is that every time you go to a customer and then there's like two containers and then a gap in between, always go for that. Don't do like all these other drivers that they just look for the widest spot and try to do that, because there's gonna be a time and date where you're gonna find yourself in trouble trying to back in 2 containers. So always back in 2 containers. You know, if you're gonna drop it between 2 containers. Don't look for the easiest spot. Look for the hardest spot, and that's how you get good. All right. Love y'all. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Don't forget to drive safe, be safe, fly safe. I'll catch you in my next video. Love y'all. God bless y'all. Later.